When your money is on the line, great customer support is a must, which is why we take so much pride in providing outstanding customer support to each and every creator that calls SamCart home. But a few months ago, we launched a brand new program where we got even closer to our top creators, providing a whole new level of support, advice, and guidance. For months now, SamCart's VIPs have been able to instant message members of Team SamCart right here in our office in Austin, Texas. And today, we're giving you the opportunity to do the same. Thanks to their extra level of support, our VIPs speak directly to a dedicated agent right when they need help the most. That agent knows their business, tests their products, proofreads their checkouts, helps with integrations, and provides insight into exactly what we know will boost conversions from across the SamCart universe. It's like having an extra member of your team, except we are the ones paying their salary. This extra level of support has been so successful with our VIPs that we decided to invest even further and allow any SamCart customer to get the same level of personalized, dedicated live support from the best support team members that we have. Introducing dedicated live support from SamCart. We know that when you're launching a new product, in the middle of a big promotion, or spending money on paid traffic, you need help in a flash. And you can't afford to wait hours just to get a reply that doesn't really understand your problem in the first place. With dedicated live support, you can now connect to our best support experts in under a minute using the new live chat widget found right in the bottom corner of your dashboard. And when you chat with our team, you'll never go through a bot first or get shipped out to some team that doesn't understand your business and can only answer very specific types of questions. Instead, you'll be connected directly to a full-time member of Team SamCart. No bots, no outsourcing. Our team can help troubleshoot integration problems, answer setup questions, suggest tweaks that will boost conversions, and help you test out your checkouts so you know everything is perfect and ready for your customers. Our team also knows exactly where you are in your SamCart account, so you don't have to waste more time getting someone up to speed on what it is that you're struggling to create. And we know life happens, so if you step away from your computer and you come back, you can pick up any conversation right where you left off. Just another way to save you time and get you back to selling as quickly as possible. Dedicated live support also brings our team members closer to your business. You can submit any of your checkouts to receive a conversion audit from our team, where we will walk you through an 11-point checklist and provide suggestions that will boost your conversions and grow your average order value. This team brings the expertise of exactly what SamCart's top creators do to make more money, and brings that knowledge to your business so you can do the same. So you'll feel secure knowing that your checkouts are set up perfectly and ready to sell. And just like with our SamCart VIPs, dedicated live support gives you access to exclusive beta features so that you can help us test and shape what SamCart is building next. Our VIP customers have spoken. They have rated this extra level of support and guidance a 4.9 out of 5 stars. And here's exactly what a few of them had to say when we release dedicated live support into their accounts. This extra level of support is awesome, 5 out of 5. So excited this live chat feature is a reality now, such an upgrade to an already great product suite. This is the best feature that has happened even with all the great new features that you guys have launched. I got to a live person quickly and they obviously speak English. Those are 2 huge keys to success for me. We are so excited to offer you a brand new avenue to get even more help and guidance from our team. Dedicated live support has helped our VIP creators launch faster, eliminate friction for their customers, and most importantly, grow their bottom line. And we're thrilled to be able to offer that same level of support to you. And so for the very first time, you can add dedicated live support to your marketplace for just $19 a month. This price is as low as it will ever get and is our extra investment in helping your business succeed. This one price includes the live chat widget right inside of your dashboard, access to our in-house experts right here on Team SamCart. It covers you and every single member of your team at no extra cost. It allows you to submit your checkouts for that 11-part conversion audit before you go live, and gets you and your marketplace access to exclusive beta features before anyone else. But most importantly, it gets you help when you need it from a team that understands your business and actually knows more about the tool you're using than you do for a change. Add dedicated live support to your account today. Click below to learn more and get instructions on exactly how you can add this brand new level of support for you and your team now.